Hi, I'm Natalia,
And I'm Johanna.
and we're doing the circulatory system. So, Johanna, what are the main organs of the circulatory system?
Well, the main organs of the circulatory system are pretty much the lungs and the heart. What about the functions?
Well, the functions are bringing oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the cell, regulating body temperature, and removing waste. Well, what about what's circulating through the body?
Well, pretty much the blood.
Well, yeah, but is that it?
No, actually, no. Inside the blood, there's red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, and pretty much what the plasma does is they're clotting cells that go through tissues just in case there's something to clot, like a cut or something like that. And the white blood cells are pretty much what help you against like diseases or illnesses that you get. It's also part of the, what is it called, immune system. Now going back to the blood in your body, there are 3 types of blood vessels that transfer the blood from head to toe. These 3 blood vessels are capillaries, arteries, and veins.
They circulate through your whole body.
Yeah,
Are you sure? Like, from head to toe?
from head to toe.
Interesting.
Yes.
Wait. So you're telling me that 5 quarts of blood cells run throughout your whole body?
Well, yeah.
But I don't understand how they fit through the smallest of veins.
These blood cells usually take in the form of a bioconcave or a bell-shaped figure to fit through these thinnest of veins.
Okay. Well, that makes a little more sense.
Yeah, they turn out to be like this if it's a bell-shaped figure. Like, you can imagine a bell,
Mm-hmm.
that, or a concave where they just squeeze in the middle.
Okay.
Hold on, I've heard there were like a various amount of circulations in your body. Is that true?
Yeah, the first one is called the pulmonary system. It's a part of your lungs. When you breathe in, the oxygen goes through your lungs, and when the blood goes through your lungs, the blood cells get the oxygen and is pumped into your heart and then the rest of your body. The pathway is called the systematic circulation.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there were a lot more, but I guess not.
No, those are the 2 main ones.
When I get to the top, you come start like going fast step.
Okay.
Right? Hey, it's all I'm gonna go to get. Jesus.
I'm going to get Jim. Yeah. Jim.
It's all I'm gonna go get some cardio in.
Why?
Well, to make my heart stronger.
Why?
To help my body pump blood. I told you about this.
Well, yeah, but what does cardio do for you?
Well, it strengthens your heart. Your heart is a muscle. So if your heart is strong, like your arm muscles or your leg muscles, it's healthier.
Okay, well, I'll get your cardio.
Yeah.
Hey Joe, how was your workout?
Oh, not bad. Let's just say I got my heart racing.
What do you mean by getting your heart racing?
Well, the beats per minute. It usually stands around 60 to 100 in an adult, but I got mine to like around 200.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
How do you tell how many times your heart's beating per minute?
Well, you just count a minute and how many beats you get. There's a difference between obviously standing still or standing around and actually doing some cardio. You want me to show you? Sure. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You just count on how many beats you get in 1 minute. Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
And you know that you can also feel it on your wrist, or there's different places you can find it. Okay.
It was about like 73-ish.
Really? Okay. Well, let's do, I don't know, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Yeah, go. Do you feel your heart racing?
Yeah.
Okay. And stop. Take it. And
Yeah. It was about like 173-ish.
see, yeah, it pretty much skyrockets.
Yeah.
Rockets if you.
When you're moving, like your heart gets faster.
Yeah, that's why it's important to work out. Well, obviously it gets your heart pumping and it pumps blood throughout your whole body, especially where it needs it. Say if you're running, it sends nutrients to your leg muscles and that helps stamina, speed, and helps you improve. And that's pretty much the basic of working out. Cool. Yeah.
So Joe, I've been thinking about everything we learned today. We learned about a lot today.
Like what?
Yeah, you taught me about the main organs that are in the circulatory system.
Oh, and you tell me about the functions.
Yeah, and then I also talked about like the pulmonary and the systemic circulation and how that flows.
How could I forget?
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
then
God.
how could I forget about the cardio you mean you do?
Well, what can I say? Anyways, speaking of cardio, I think we should go on a run.
Yeah, I liked getting my heart racing. It felt good.
Really?
Yeah.
Then let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.